So, I'm here na sa Taipei bus station. So, hanapin ko na. Please take the elevator to the 1F exit. So, pag anak na elevator, hanapin ko na yun. Exit. So, I'm here. So, going to exit. I'm here. Wait. Bubi ako. Kung anong kasama.
Bad word alert.
Here. Oh, shoot. Then, where? Here? Love? Okay. So, I'm following the map. I don't know where I'm going. But, ay, iwala lang sa guts. So, it's a 9 minutes walk. 9 minutes? It's a 9 minutes walk. So, welcome to Taiwan! So, konti pa yung mga tao. Pala yung naglalakad. Look. Oh. Sige nga, 9 minutes. So, 9:20. Diyos ko. So, dapat the time now is 4:33. So, dapat makarating ako 4:41. 9 minutes man kaya. Let's see. So, good morning, Taiwan. Tuwid tayo. Dito sa kabila. Diyos ko. Bigat. So, follow lang natin. Go lang tayo. Hello, Taiwan! So, come with me as I search my hotel. So, as of the moment, mahangin. And, konti pa mga tao, I think, tulog pa sila. So, look naman, oh. So, here, ang ganda ng Taiwan. Para siyang Makati or BGC. Yeah. Para Makati or BGC ang feels. Tapos, diretso. Uy, diretso. Tatawid, tatalon. Look. Tatawid ako. It's a walk. So, survive. Opo, papasok pa ako dito. Ako lang po mag-isa, Diyos ko. I'm scared. Straight lang, 6 minutes away. Scared man ako. Dito na ako magdaan. So, may mga tao naman. So, here ako sa kalye na silent. Gusto. Check mo naman ang daanan. Oh, ang linis ha. Ang linis, friend. Ang linis. Ganda. Yun, nag-walk po tayo. Malapit na. I think I'm here na. Malapit na. So, ay. Where? Doon? Sa kabila? Diyos ko. I'm here na. I think ito na yun. Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Yan, I'm here na. So, accessible access. Okay, I'm gonna put my pin. Suppose. So, I'm here inside na with the Bayman Posh, wow, Posh Hotel. So, kapag late ka mag-check-in, they will send you a message and they will give you the password and it automatically open pag na-press mo yung password. And after that, go to the counter and then check your name. So, here's mine. So, here. So, here's my key. So, I'm gonna proceed with my room. Pagod na ako. 4th floor. So, we're gonna take the elevator. Do they have elevator? Hindi ako lalabas. Elevator. So, elevator. So, ang TANGA ko here. May elevator pala. Naghagdan ako. Ang bobo ko. 4th floor pa naman ako. May hawak akong maleta. Tapos naghagdan. Ay, nako. Makapagod na. Yan. Hindi kasi nag-check before nag-akyat. Deserve mo yan. Napagod ang pasneya. Antok pa yan. Sit sail pa more. I know you're wondering bakit ako tawag nito bumubulong. Kasi madaling araw niyan around 4 a.m. and then nakabook ako sa isang postal na parang dormitory ang style. So naka-cubicle lang ako nun. So may mga roommates ako. So yun. So bumubulong lang ako And bawal kasi maingay in respect sa mga natutulog. So, madami kami dyan, different, iba-ibang lahi. So, ganun ako katahimik. And yun, nakaakyat na ako sa cubicle ko. At ito, pahinga na din kasi napagod na. So, bye-bye muna. Hi guys, good morning. So time check. It's 8:26 a.m. So I slept around 4 a.m. because I arrived at the airport around 2 a.m. almost 3, and then also I do the checking the immigration in Taiwan, and also buying my easy card, withdrawing, and also waiting for the bus. So yeah, so I think I slept around three 3 hours only. So it's okay, at least I slept 3 hours. So good morning. So this is my hotel. So so yun. So yeah, so I need to prepare, and I need to do my check-in because I just did that digital check-in. So sabi dun sa instruction, bababa ako for physical check-in around 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. So it's 8:30. So I need to go downstairs to do my physical check-in. So here, this is my cubicle because I just booked a shared dormitory. Yun, kasi I'm just a solo traveler. So yeah, so this is my room. Look, coffee, charger, and yeah, here. Writing. Hindi tayo dapat maingay kasi we do have roommates. So we need to be respectful and hindi tayo maingay. Okay? So, bababa ako in a while. I just need to make PS. Yan. Okay. So, bye for now.